Welcome back to the Ikigai Driven channel. My name is Matt and I want to go over on how much I paid for my 2008 Nissan 350Z touring model. I want to also go over on how I came across this particular car, and if you're interested in buying one, hopefully this video will help you guys out and kind of get an idea of how much you're expecting to pay as of today. So by the time this video is out and the time I bought this car, which was back in 2018, the prices have definitely changed. So if you're looking at today's market, especially during the pandemic, the prices will definitely be higher because of the low inventory in the used car market. All right, I'm not going to bore you with the story on how I found this car first. I'm going straight to the point. I paid $8,200 for my 2008 350Z. Now the price was before tax, title transfer, registration, and other fees and all that. The 350Z has different trim levels, and mine was the touring, which has the power, leather heated seats, and VDC. My car had 89,000 miles. It was a clean title, clean Carfax. We had no accidents or damage reported. And overall condition, I would say it was pretty flawless. So I believe I got an amazing deal for it. All right, so here is how I came across finding my 350Z. I was looking everywhere, just as anyone would do when looking for a car. Cars.com, Car Gurus, Craigslist, and even Facebook Marketplace. I was very specific on the specs and options. I only wanted white color. It had to be a 6-speed manual transmission, leather seats, so it had to be the touring trim. Relatively low miles, but I wasn't really too concerned about high mileage either because I know the VQ engine is known for its reliability. I was pretty lucky to find one that was really close to me. I found the seller on Facebook Marketplace, and he had it listed for $11,000, and I knew what the market was at the time, and he was asking for a pretty high premium price. Rather than talking numbers first, I had to get all the information on the car, checking Carfax, getting the general information on its service maintenance records, and after we spoke and all that, we scheduled a time to see the car in person. My friend Gary and we drove 2 hours to check it out, and after the initial test drive, I just knew I had to get it. The car drove perfect. The car is completely stock other than Z1 single exit exhaust and a test pipe. Some minor flaws with the car, like the headlights being hazy, paint chips on one of the wheels, but I mean that's expected for a 12-year-old car at the time. I wasn't looking for a perfect showroom car condition because it was going to be my project car, and I can fix those issues myself, which also saved me a lot of money. So after probably like 30 to 45 minutes checking out the car, I told him I am interested and that his asking price of $11,000 is too much, and kind of asked him politely if there's a better price that he can offer me. And he then gave me his offer of $10,000, but I mean it was still too much. I told him the flaws the car has and what the price would be if I had to get them fixed. And eventually we both agreed on $8,200. Now in today's current market, especially during the pandemic where the used car inventory is low, the prices has gone up. I think if you were to buy the exact year, trim level, mileage, and the condition that I had, I think the price would be somewhere in the ballpark of like maybe $9,500. After getting the car, I've added some aftermarket parts to the car like NKRPF1 wheels, BC coilovers, and eventually switched to the air suspension, the Airlift 3P. Mostly cosmetic stuff like duckbill spoiler, vinyl wrapped roof, I modded the headlights, and so on. I'm not going to go over on how much I spent on the aftermarket parts. That will be another video if you guys are interested. Let me know down in the comments section whether you think that I got a great deal on it, and if you have purchased a 350Z recently, let me know what's the price you paid. I think it would be great for other viewers to see what the general price is for them right now. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and hopefully this helps you out if you're in the market of buying one. If you found a listing that you want to buy, put the link down below and I'll reply to what I think is a good price for it. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Peace out guys.